In this video, I'll show you how to change the language of your Samsung Smart TV. This works with many different models, and even if you do not have the same remote control, I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing is we need to have access to the settings menu. On some remotes, like this one, there's a settings button on the lower left side. If yours does not have one, do not worry. What you need to do is to press the home button, the one with the house. This menu will appear down below, and then we need to press the left side arrow. Some remote controls have a circle. You just need to press on the left side of that circle. You need to press on it 2 or 3 times until you have settings highlighted on the lower left side of the screen. Then press enter, which is the middle button here, or if you have the circle remote, you just need to press in the middle of that circle. From this menu, we need to go down in General, then press OK. Go down until you select System Manager. Again, press OK. Now you see language over there. You can go over it. In my case, it's grayed out, and maybe yours is as well. If yours is not grayed out, just press OK and you'll be able to change it. If you have the same problem as me, where even if you press OK, nothing is happening and it says function isn't available, what you need to do is to press on your remote control the source button on the top right corner here, and you need to select Samsung TV Plus. Once you select it, press OK. Some people may also have the shortcut on the remote control over here, so just press on this button instead. Now we can go back in that menu. So settings, general, system manager, and now language will not be grayed out, and we can click on it and select one of these languages that are available. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.